Hi, welcome, Kat from Sacred Soul Rising. So this morning I am talking about twin flames and the 8-8 Lion Gate portal. How is this affecting twin flames? The Lion Gate portal comes every single year. And it is a portal that opens up because of the vibration and the frequency of the 8-8, August the 8th. This year is incredibly powerful. The coding, the light coding that we are receiving through the body into our aura, into our energetic chakra and our Kundalini system is going to be really powerful and really transformative if we allow it to be. Now, if we sit in our ego, in the mind, and try and figure out everything and trying to figure out what is going on, and looking at things in a very wounded energy of why did they do this, why did this happen, why is this happening, and looking at things that are happening to you instead of projecting it out of. And when I say projecting it out, I mean projecting love out in the vibration of, I am in such gratitude. Everything in my life is helping me, is here to help me grow, is here to help me align fully with who I am at my original soul blueprint. On soul recognition, we get that core wounding, and you will have one chakra that is linked with you and your twin. There is one chakra that is always connected, and it will either be the heart, the solar plexus, or the sacral. The sacral is the sexual creation. It's where we birth new life. It's where we stand in our power and go, this is what I want to create. This is where I want to go in my life. The solar plexus is all that regret and being in the should have, could have, would haves. Whereas the heart chakra is living from a place of deep love, without that fear, without that lack energy. And, each one of those chakras, when we get to the core wounding of it and we start to look at the core wounding. So, in that heart chakra is very much about living in lack. This creates sadness. This creates depression. When we look at the solar plexus, this is about attachment to outcome. That should have, could have, would have that I often talk about. This sits in the solar plexus. This is when, we see that we're not always done right to, and we feel that life is happening to us instead of for us. And then when we move into the sacral chakra is all about having control. And when that Kundalini as well ignites, when that Kundalini starts to activate, this core wounding is activated in each of the chakras. The sacral is very much about control, and you can really feel that frustration and feel that deep sense of grief, loss, fear, fearing what is about to come, instead of being in flow with life and allowing flow to happen to you. So one of the key things that you can do on this Lion Gate portal is think, where was that pain? When you went into separation, it is normally activated. When the soul has soul recognition, and it could even be before separation, you will feel that energetic wall almost come up, and it feels like a deep feeling and physical pain, either heart, solar plexus, or sacral. You can start to look at this, start to work on it. This is what I teach in my course. This is what I teach in my one-to-ones, to start to look at this core wounding. The core wounding is key to where you need to work on transmuting that energy, that shared energy. And I want to say that it's shared. This is a shared core wound pain that you both hold. It's just that you are the conscious, your twin is the subconscious. So start to work on this, and you will start to see things transform, and especially the journey will start to move forward. And the more you work on it, guess who shows up? If you need any more support, any more help, I've put a link in the description with a link to my website. Go and check out my website. There's loads of free material on there. And, you know, if you want to delve deeper, then there is my course on there, and also my one-to-one coaching as well, and my group coaching. It's all there to help you, support you on this journey so you start to flourish and really align with your original soul blueprint, who you came here to be. Much love, many blessings.